I'm here in the Montrose area of Houston, Texas, at a joint that's centrally located to Rice University, the downtown area, and the Galleria Mall. Now, this place is smoking busy all the time, and the question is it because of the location or the food? We're about to find out as we visit Niko's.
The food is fantastic.
It is just outstanding.
What's your blankie sandwich?
It's the closest thing you can come to eating in Greece.
Absolutely delicious.
Thank you.
I enjoy it so much that I keep on coming back. Since 1977, when they first opened the doors.
And actually used to walk up and order here.
Back when Dimitri Fedokakis' parents first opened the place.
I've been working in here since I was 5. This part of the restaurant was our house.
This was actually where you lived?
That's right, yeah. All right, enjoy. Got a Euro machine and a grill. Then Niko started. 1 euro plate, baby. We're doing the basics, and then we kind of wanted to upscale our menu a little bit.
Using the whole family cookbook. From Greek meatballs called to this classic.
Moussaka, which is my favorite.
To this family favorite.
The lamb shake with potato.
Oh, I dig lamb.
Whose lamb shake recipe is this?
My pops. So first we trim some of the fat.
Big seller here?
Very big seller. Now we're gonna do our marinade. So we got lemon juice, Greek oregano. This is from our orchard in Greece.
I mean, it's just blooming, man.
Black pepper, seasonal,
Little seasoned salt, fresh garlic.
salt, and olive oil. Greek olive oil.
So this is a pretty traditional marinade.
Simple.
And how long will we marinate those shanks?
We used to marinate them 24 hours,
Uh-huh.
but we got a marinating machine to speed up the process.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Oh, I can't wait to see this.
Yeah, it's cool. This is the tumbler. We'll toss in our lamb shanks and just pour our marinade. All right, cap it off, the hose.
So now it's gonna start sucking the air out.
Right.
So when the vacuum gets to 20, you turn it off, lay it on its side.
And then we'll let it do its work for about 20 minutes.
Makes it so it's easier for the moisture to penetrate in.
Uh-huh.
I want one of these from home.
And then we just put it in the pan.
Shanks are lined up. Get a little water on top. It's time to cover them and go in the oven.
Yes, sir.
How long is it gonna go in the oven?
Do 2 hours, and then what we'll do is uncover it, flip the lamb shanks, and then for another hour.
Look at that. Usually 2 people. I'll get the doors.
Thank you.
Wow, those bad boys just cooked down all the fat. It's crazy. How many you get?
2.
And what's this being served with?
That comes with a small Greek salad, the roasted potatoes, pita bread, tzatziki sauce, and lemon.
Great. That's a really nice marinade with the lemon juice. Probably one of the more lemon-forward lamb shanks I've ever had. You're gonna have to take this away. Great.
Thank you.
I mean, I wasn't serious.
No?
It's got a great flavor on it.
Good all around Greek food.
Pita.
There's always a crowd, there's always a line.
Next in line, please. Anybody ready? I can hear this place going a million miles an hour out there. Does it ever slow down?
I'm glad to say no.
Thank you very much.
How many pitas you guys go through in a week?
12,000. 1 euro plate, 2 euro sandwiches.
And those big hunks of gyro?
15 a day.
Of those?
And a dozen scratch-made desserts. From classic baklava
Very flaky and it's fresh.
to something most folks have never heard of.
Lukumadas.
Lukumadas. Now that I can say it, can you tell me what it is?
Greek honey balls.
Greek honey balls.
Greek honey balls. That's it. That's all you need.
That's all I need to
That's all
know.
you need to know.
Right.
All right, so we got our flour, sugar,
Not very much of that.
not much, salt, vanilla,
Just a touch. And yeast?
yeast, water,
Assume it's warm.
80 degrees.
80 degrees to make the correct lukumadas.
Yes, sir. So we put it at a low speed first.
Come over here. Looks like donut batter.
Well, we're gonna let it rise for a while,
Okay.
about 30 minutes.
You let that yeast activate. Bunch of simmering water.
All right, we're gonna do our sauce for the lukumadas.
Lukumadas.
You can also use this for the baklava and kataifi and the other pastries that we make.
Okay.
Sugar?
You sure that's enough sugar?
I don't know, we'll see. Then we take some lemon juice
Little cinnamon stick?
and cinnamon stick. Let that cook for about 1.5 hours. After that's done, then we're gonna add honey.
So you let it reduce down a little bit more, and then right before you're ready to take it off the heat, you'll hit with the honey?
With the honey.
Okay.
That's it.
Honey, sugar, cinnamon, lemon, water, syrup.
That's it. We got our dough to rise.
Now it goes into this bad boy. What is this?
This is a Belshaw donut machine.
You just crank it and it just plops out little donuts.
And then we'll cook them for about 5 minutes. We separate them here.
Look at the way they puffed up so quickly. This whole apparatus is just to make lukumadas. I want that on the back of the 67.
So we're done with these. We're gonna take them and put them in the honey.
Whoa, they just go right in the...
That's it.
Just those two. Don't mess with them?
No, absolutely.
Oh, mess with
No,
them.
I want you to mess
Mess
with
with them, don't mess with them. Yeah, mess with them.
them. Mess with them.
And these aren't going to get soggy? They're still floating.
Nah, it's fine. We want all the honey to get in there.
Those are culinary buoys in the shipyard of Flavortown.
And then to top it off, we use powdered sugar and cinnamon.
Wow, dude. Watch this. It just comes right out. Oh, those are crazy. They fill up with that juice inside of them. You bite into them and they almost pop.
Good.
Good. That's not even good. That's great. Dude, I've never seen these in my life. This isn't overly sweet. The lemon is the first thing I recognize.
Yeah.
Oh. Those are yours.
Next in line, everybody's ready?
Really need to come to Niko's.
No surprises, it's always just dead on. The food's awesome.
I got chicken kebab for Hercules.
It has a lot of heart and personality.
Thank you very much.
It's excellent. This is as good as my mom's. It's one of my favorite places of all time.
Good job, brother. Thanks, man. Like that one. Can I have the machine?
Yes, sir.
Very nice.
Whatever you want.